Welcome to Saw Masters, where you'll see powerful chainsaws, giant tree trunks, and the world's most advanced forestry machines. From chainsaws to heavy forestry equipment, we bring you the most realistic and impressive images of the world of logging. Explore now. The 14-inch long steel 661 roared as its razor-sharp blade sliced through the massive, charred pine, sending sawdust flying into the air with each precise cut. The logger carefully maneuvered the saw, cutting down the charred trunk to clear the area and make way for the forest to be restored. A large uprooted tree stump lay sprawled on the ground, its roots still entangled in the dirt. A skilled logger started a high-powered chainsaw. The engine roared, sawdust filled the air, and the stump was cut away in no time. Here we are. An experienced logger grips a high-powered chainsaw, carefully cutting down a massive tree standing on the edge of a steep cliff. The razor-sharp chain bites deep into the solid wood, while the engine's roar echoes through the rocky canyon. Every cut must be executed with absolute precision. One small mistake could lead to a dangerous outcome.
Hang on. Yeah. Let's get it set and then we'll order the jack. I'm gonna pour myself some tea here. Oh, there she goes. That was awesome.
The worker carefully made the cut, but as soon as it was finished, the piece of wood did not fall as planned. It slid out, falling at a faster speed than expected, hitting hard with a crackling sound.
There's no way that was safe.
The Cord King CS 27-40 is a powerful industrial swing, equipped with an advanced hydraulic system and a high-power motor to handle large diameter logs quickly and efficiently.
A forestry machine flips on rugged terrain. Another powerful machine arrives to pull it upright. Raw strength meets tough conditions. power meets precision. The Komatsu 931 with the C144 harvesting head delivers unmatched performance, gripping and cutting massive trees effortlessly while maximizing efficiency. The machine struggles through the muddy ground, but its powerful arm continues to grab and load the logs, despite the challenging conditions.
Heavy-duty cable forestry tractors are important equipment in the logging industry, helping to pull large tree trunks from steep terrain or dense forests. With a high-capacity cable winch system, the machine can transport logs quickly and efficiently, even in difficult conditions. Dobstad DH812 is a high-performance mobile wood chipper equipped with a powerful cutting system and hydraulic feeder, capable of processing wood up to 80 centimeters in diameter. The machine uses a drum chipping mechanism to produce consistent quality wood chips, suitable for the biomass and renewable energy industries. The Dipper Fox SC850 Pro slowly approaches a solid old tree trunk. The drill head rotates at high speed, creating a spray of wood shavings. In just a few seconds, the sharp drill bit penetrates straight into the heart of the tree trunk, crushing the wood core as if it were nothing more than soft mud.
The fully automated sawmill handles everything from cutting to transporting the boards, minimizing human intervention.
Gravity pulled the truck down a steep hill. The driver carefully adjusted the brakes, maintaining a steady speed, making sure the giant tree trunks behind him did not cause him to lose control.
Se lo mete mucho.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. See you in the next Saw Masters Adventures.